Okay, in this video, we're going to go over the OSI document homework assignment that I want you to fill out. So, right now, the spreadsheet that you see right here is available. You'll be filling this out. You'll be doing the OSI layer names in this columns right here. And then in this columns, you're going to be doing the TCP/IP layer names, what their functions are, and what kind of protocols, whether it's hardware or software, will each layer do, and the data units for transfer for each layer. That's what I want you to fill out. An example of that is this right here, where you have the layer names for the TCP IP model, what functions, so you're going to need to research this, what protocols, and the data units. So that's how I want you to fill out the spreadsheet. You don't have to be all the protocols, just a handful, so I know you understand what needs to be done. So that's your homework assignment for that. Now we will go through and show packet tracer, a little bit of the physical tab. I need you guys to get comfortable with doing this. So in packet tracer, when you open it up, you see you have your logical here, you have your physical tab here. You're going to pick the physical. Go into home, go into corporate, go into the main wiring closet. And what you can do is you see these buttons over here, you could add stuff. So you could add a rack. This is where your devices will get racked. You could add a table. You could add a pegboard for cabling. So when you add cables to the pegboard, you go to your cable. You can pick your cables. You can put it up here. If you need more than one, just add them up there. Doesn't matter what you do, because when you pull these cables out, it's going to use them and take them off. So just keep adding stuff to it. No big deal. So that's how you add cables to your pegboard. Now we could add PC for on your table. This will be able to give you some console access into your devices. Now, as you add network devices, you could add, let's find a 2960. Oh, 28. Yeah, we'll do the 2811s. So you take this, and you add it to the rack. Now we could do switches. We could take it, add it to the rack. Now what you can do is you take a cable, you could choose to plug it into here, and it'll give you the listing of what port it is. And we could pick a port here, and it'll show you the cabling. Now we could also do the console cable. We could do console RS232, and then we could choose a. Oh, we have to go to this guy to show the oh, no, that goes back. Where do I go to see the? Oh, here we go. So I need to find how to move. No, 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 nope, nope, nope. Navigate panel. There we go. Nope. So we're trying to find how to do the reverse so we can look. Oh, there we go. If you right click on the rack, you could inspect rear on the device, and therefore we could do the console connection that way. So you do the console cable, and then that and no console. So you could do that as well, expect from the rear. So this power button for the router, you could turn on or off. And then we also need to click on this device because you're going to add modules to it. So if you want to add ports, you could add ports to it. You just click over here, find what kind of ports you want. So if we want to add these ports, come out here. Oh, you got to power it off though. We power it off. Then we go ahead and plug it in. Then you power it back up and it'll load up. So I do want you guys to definitely get comfortable playing with this physical. And as you see, it added a cable here. So please get comfortable using this physical mode. You will need it later in the class. So, like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I'll help you out. Have a great day, everybody.